Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Give each element a unique ID. We will also want to be able to use jQuery to target each button by its unique ID. Give each of your button a unique ID starting with target 1 and ending with target 6. Make sure that target 1 to target 3 are in left well and target 4 to target 6 are in right well. In that case, we will need to define ID equal to target 1 in this case, and we will just copy and paste and change for each value. Here it will be target 3, it will be target 2. Same way for these buttons, target 4, target 5 and target 6. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.